What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're up at our Orange County yard. If you saw yesterday's video, then you know we have an update on the Skytrak. If you don't know what happened to this, an electric wire got taken out by a dump truck that was delivering salt. It fell down, landed on the Skytrak, and grounded out through the machine. The whole machine was up in flames. I have a video of it. I'll throw it in right now.
So we'll just watch it real quick, and then I'm gonna throw a video in that one of my guys recorded of our machine burning up as a result of this wire coming down and landing right on top of the Skytrak.
Oye, mira, ve, no estaban ahí. Podían morir.
So if you didn't see that video, now you're caught up to speed. I'm sure most of you guys saw that video. It was definitely pretty crazy, but it has been a process of dealing with the insurance company, a mechanic that was looking over it, making some repairs. There has been a list of repairs that were made on it. I'm not going to get into that today, but obviously we're trying to take the wheels off. So long story short, we decided to buy this machine back from the insurance company. In our opinion, the cost of the repairs and buying it back was more beneficial than going and buying a new machine. We don't need a brand new machine. We don't use this too often. Plus, obviously, once all of the repairs are made, this machine is going to be good to go. The focus of today's video is getting all of the wheels off, and then, if we can, getting the tires off of the rims. So our plan is to get the two back wheels broken free. Then we're going to lift the back up, set it back down on blocks. Rodrigo will move to the front, start breaking the lug nuts on the front free. I'm going to pull the back wheels off, and then once he has those broken free, we'll lift the front up and then do the same thing with the fronts. Hopefully, being that the tires caught on fire, they'll come off the rims pretty easy. But anyway, it was moving over to the far side. So once we get those broken free, we'll get this thing up in the air.
So you want me to put the forks in the air? Try it.
a heavy machine.
Oh.
That's a heavy machine. Roll it. Stand it up. There we go.
Yeah, you go. You were big guy.
Yeah, I know.
Wow. You got it?
I think so.
We have to black break, we have problems.
Yep. Almost out.
You got it?
Yep.
Ay, se compró
Big hill. Big hill. Big hill.
Sí, demasiado grande, muñeco. Oh.
Todo.
Ojo.
Ay, cuidado. That worked good. A lot easier than the loader.
I told you. Pero quise no trabajar.
I didn't say that.
Ay, tranquilo, no. Tranquila, chiquita.
No ayuda.
Tranquila, chiquita.
Help? I know you're King Kong. All right, guys, it is actually the next day. It is super funny seeing this machine sitting up like that with no wheels on it. But we rode these wheels over here yesterday and just left them sitting here because we need to get the tires off of the rims. So I brought a Sawzall with me, and I also have a grinder if I have to use the grinder. I think the grinder might cut through a little bit easier, but I'm definitely gonna cut where the rubber is all melted on these, and they should come off pretty easy. We tried popping them off yesterday and they're just on there a little too tight still. So let me grab the Sawzall out, we'll start cutting these and we'll get these off, and then we're gonna load all of the rims on some pallets I have in the bed of my truck there and throw them on the trailer, strap them down, and they were going home with me. Obviously I left this trailer here yesterday as well because I knew that I needed to get all of these out of here as well. I could not be happier right now, but I still need to get them up on the trailer, which is not going to be an easy task. All right, guys, we got these all loaded up and strapped down. Originally, I had all 4 of these flat in a row across 3 different pallets, but the ones up in the middle of the wheel wells were a bit difficult to strap, and I didn't really like the way I had it. So obviously, I moved them around, threw 2 of them standing up inside the others. These are not going anywhere. I can't rock them at all, and I am really trying. So we should have no issues. I really hope not, because I don't feel like picking these up off the side of the road. But as much as I hate working on tires, I absolutely love the later sunsets, and I love this warmer weather. It is about 55 degrees here at the end of February, so can't beat it. Hopefully winter is over. I know you guys love these snow removal videos, but I'm also like about a month and a half ahead, and I'd still have, I think, like 5 more snow removal videos coming out during the month of March. So still plenty of snow removal to go at the point that I'm filming this. I would be very happy if it didn't snow again and we had some warmer weather. Anyway, that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.